Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to import the customers. So you'll notice it goes contacts, then companies, then assets. We're actually going to import the companies first because then companies exist within the product, so that then the contact can be attributed to the company and complete a record. So let's do companies first. If you click on companies and we go to the top one and we go to import data, we can go to choose file. I have my companies here. Then the file itself, you can see we've got a company name. I don't have the company ID because I haven't imported it before, and I don't have the company owner, as in who on our FSM is going to be responsible for this particular company. Website, email, phone, mobile, what it is a customer. The service address, billing address I've left blank for now, and the currencies. So I'm going to say set them up as new companies. You can do it as existing ones so it can find the duplicates and not import. And we can just go to next. So here it's asking us, well, what is it for? So account name could be our company name. Account type is company type. So it's saying that we've initiated it, so we can go back to the companies now. It's not sitting there, but we can just give a little refresh and they will appear. Notice that the account owner has been attributed to Paul, as we only have one user in this record. Now we want to import the contacts that are associated to these two. We can go here, go to contacts, and we can go to here, and we can go to import data. We can choose my file. I can have here. So I'm going email because these are new ones that I'm putting in and I don't want there to be any duplicates. I'm just checking to make sure there is nothing that I haven't mapped. Go back to our contacts and refresh. And they're now in here. Now just to show the data, we've got the salutation, first name, last name, contact owner will always be Paul, email, phone, mobile, company ID if it's already within Zoho, company name, and then we've got the addresses and then what's there and what currency it's in. So create your import file, import the file, but go company first and then contacts.